Good day, children. How are you all? How is your holidays? Okay, I feel very happy to meet you in this video. Children, so we are going to see the fitness and the sports, the new lesson. Okay, children? Okay. How many of you like to play in the ground? Obviously, everybody. Okay. How many of you like to play? Raise your hands. Yes, everybody. Very good. Okay. What's your favorite game? Can you list few favorite games? Okay, volleyball. Okay, football, cricket, etc. Okay, children. Okay, now we are going to see what fitness under sports. We'll move into the lesson now. I'm going to start this lesson with a small story. Once the three friends, that is Seema, Mamta and Rema, the three friends, they used to play in the park. Okay, children. Obviously, everybody used to play in the park. Everybody like to play in the park, isn't it? Very good. In the park, there are more playing things will be found in the park, isn't it? Examples are like swing, seesaws, and everything. Isn't it, children? Similarly, Seema and Mamta, they used to play in the park every evening, but Rima, she refused to come to the park. She always used to play with the help of the video games. Rima's father bought a video game and she used to play in the video game. How will you play the video game by sitting in a chair? We used to play the video game sitting for a long time. Because when we start to play the video game, we will to play for a long because the interest will be created, isn't it? Okay. Do you think what Rima has done is correct? No, wrong. Okay? Because sitting in the same place for a long time, it is bad. We have to move our body, we have to go out, we have to move outside and we have to play. That is healthy. The sun rays should fall on our body. Okay? Isn't it, children? Okay. Now we are going to see the first topic, exercise and fitness. Health is a state of physical and mental well-being. Exercise makes our body fit and healthy. Children, how many of you wake up early in the morning? Raise your hands. Isn't it? Will you all wake up in the morning, early morning? Okay, that is good. What you will do? Again you will sleep? No, that is wrong. What you will do? You have to get up early in the morning. You can start the day by doing small exercise. Once you start your day with doing a small exercise, how will you the entire day? The entire day will be brisk and you will also feel more active. Isn't it, children? So, when you wake up early in the morning, you will get the breeze air. So you can do the pranayama, that is breathing exercise by using this mudras. What we used to do while doing the meditation, we can inhale and exhale the fresh air. We can activate our lungs and you can boost up your circulatory system, all the in the entire body. Isn't it, children? You can do yoga, closing your eyes and chanting the mantras, and you can do exercise like yoga and aerobic exercise. You can start your day with walking, not like this. You can stretch your arms front, front and back with fast walking. You can walk. You can start your day by the jogging. Yes, that stimulates your body, that activates your body, that makes your bones and muscles flexible. You can move. Isn't it, children? Once you start your day with exercise, the entire day will be brisk and bright. You can do lots of work without tired. Okay, children? And types of exercise, yoga is there and aerobic exercise. What is aerobic exercise, children? And show some aerobic exercise like stretching, keeping one hand in the hip and one raise over your head, another you have to raise your hand, and 1, 2, 3. This is aerobic. Similarly, you will do in the opposite direction also. And this aerobic exercise helps you for the circulation of the blood and the flexible movement. It gives because we are stretching, no, stretching our legs and hands. So it gives a flexible movement of the muscles, bones. Okay, children, it helps to give a flexible movement of muscles and bones. So what you have to do, you have to wake up early in the morning. Children, it is make it compulsory to start your day by doing small exercise. You can start doing a small exercise like breathing exercise, which can develop your concentration and which can stimulate your lungs functions active. Then you can boost up your blood circulation. You can learn more. You can do lots of work. You can study even. Okay, you can see how many benefits are there in doing exercise. You can try with the yoga. Obviously, we used to do in our school. You can try with meditations. Start your day with doing meditations. We used to do meditation in our school, isn't it? Isn't it, children? Yes. So you have to practice this regularly early in the morning. Once you start early in the morning, the entire day will be more energetic, more fresh. You can do lots of work. Okay, children. Now we are going to see about the indoor game and outdoor game. What is this, children? I am going to show you a few pictures. What is this, children? This is the Ludo. This is Ludo. This is snake and ladder. Snake and ladder. This is what is this? I asked you in question how many of you are enrolled in the chess. What is this, children? Chessboard. What is this? Chessboard. Okay. What is this? This is a carom board. This is a carom board. Okay. Children, where do we play these games? We used to play these games inside the room. Correct? Yes. So the game which we used to play inside the room are called indoor game. What is it? Inside the room are called indoor games. Even these games can be organized in the building. It can be organized in the building, or else this type of games can be played inside the room. Okay, children? Okay. So I shown you a few examples of Ludo and Ludo, chess, carom board, wrestling and table tennis. These are the few examples of the indoor games. We are going to see what is outdoor games. Outdoor games is nothing but the game which we play outside in the large area or else in the ground is called outdoor game. What is outdoor game? The game which we play in the large area or in the ground is called outdoor game. Examples: football, volleyball, kho-kho, kabaddi, basketball. These are the few examples of the outdoor game. Okay, children. So, do you understand what I taught today? Children, we saw the lesson fitness and sports. I started this story with a small story of Rima, Mamta and Seema. The Rima not used to go to park. Both the other friends, they used to go to park. They used to spend their day in the park. I mean evening in the park itself. Okay, children. And we saw the important statement of health is a state of physical and mental well-being. Why should we do exercise? What are the types of exercise? And how the exercise relates to our body. Okay. The types of exercise, I taught you yoga and aerobics, so you know the difference, and why to wake up early in the morning. What are all the exercises can be followed? Examples like breathing exercise you can do. You can start with the walking, jogging, okay, in order to develop your body fitness, and also you can develop your mental health. You can study more. You can improve your memory power also. Okay, children. So while doing all this exercise and yoga, aerobic exercise, and these things, you can may keep your health fit. Exercise may keeps your body and health fit. You can do lots of work. Even you won't feel tired. Okay, children. You the entire day will be, when you start with the exercise, the entire day will be fresh and energetic. And also we are taught about the indoor games and outdoor games. I have given you lots of examples for indoor and game and outdoor games. What is indoor games? The game which we play inside the room, or the game which is organized inside the room is building. I mean, organized in the building are called indoor games. Examples: carom, chess, and wrestling, table tennis, ludo, and everything. And what are outdoor games? The games which is played in the large area or in the ground. Okay. So examples for the outdoor game is cricket, volleyball, and football, kho-kho, basketball, etc. Children, we are very thorough, and we know lots of things how to keep our body fit and energetic, and still few more topics are there to be covered in this lesson. So in the next video we will continue. Okay, children, what you will do, you will learn, you will read line by line. Okay, children, you will if you have any doubt, tomorrow we will discuss and I will clear your doubts, and we will continue the video. We will continue this video in the next. We will continue this next video. Continue this lesson in the next video. Okay, children. Take care, children. Thank you, Jai Gurudev.